Do you have one of our large stainless steel tins and you have taken the seal out to wash and now you're struggling to get it back in? If so, I have 2 tips to help you get that seal back in just like new. So keep watching. So the key is to start putting the seal in flat and also using all 4 fingers to put that seal in. For some reason, using all 4 fingers makes this go in so much easier. So just keep working around, making sure that that seal's going in flat and using all 4 fingers. And you're gonna find that it's gonna be a lot easier to replace it. So once you have 1 corner left, you're just gonna gently pull that over. Use all 4 fingers again. That's key. And your seal is gonna be back in, nice and clean, ready to keep all your favorite dishes fresh. So I hope this helps you guys who are struggling with replacing that seal. Let me know if it does.